In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text background color in Google Docs efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're refreshing a document for a professional setting or just tidying up your holiday newsletter, eliminating an unwanted text background color can really help in making your document look clean and polished. So, let's dive in. First, we need to head over to docs.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Google or Gmail account. If you're already logged in, you'll be conveniently directed to the home page of Google Docs. Now you have the option to open an existing file from your drive or start a new document altogether, depending on where you need to make these changes. Now, let's address the main topic: removing the background color from your text. There are actually two straightforward methods to achieve this, and I'll be guiding you through both. For the first method, start by selecting the text that currently has the background color you wish to remove. You can do this simply by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text. Once the text is highlighted, hold down the TSRL key on your keyboard and then press the space bar. By performing this key combination, the background color on the selected text will be cleared away, leaving the text itself unchanged. Moving on to the second method, begin again by selecting the text that needs the background color removal. With the text highlighted, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll all the way to the bottom, where you'll find the option Clear Formatting. Clicking on this option will remove not just the background color, but also reset any other formatting that was applied to the selected text. This means that any changes in font style, size, or color will revert to the default settings. Therefore, it's crucial to use this method when you wish to clear all formatting attributes, not just the background color. And there you have it. You now know how to remove text background color in Google Docs using two simple methods. Remember, choosing between these methods depends on your specific needs. If you just want to strip the background color while keeping other formatting intact, the first method is golden. However, if you aim to revert the text to its default look, the second method will be more suitable. These approaches ensure your documents can maintain a professional and uncluttered appearance, catering to all your formatting needs. Thanks for watching, and now that you're equipped with these skills, go ahead and give your documents a fresh, clean look.